Hello friends, welcome back to Pritha Genesis channel. Here we are back with one more video of Paint With Me series, which we are doing with 30 days of challenge. Today we are creating a Buddha abstract, and we will be using wax crayons, or you can say the oil pastels for them. I'm creating the layout on black paper, and on top of it I'm using a red color pencil so that it would be visible to some extent. And here I have done the demarcation of the areas also. So if you look closely over here, this demarc area is something which is the lightest of all. Then this will be little bit darker, then darker, and at the end this area will be the darkest of all. So this is how the light exposure will be, and accordingly we will be doing. Here we won't be doing any gradient, but yeah, in this. And here I'm using this oil pastel. This is from Marvel, and this I bought it 2 to 3 years back, and it's from Marvel Spider-Man series. It has 24 different colors, and I have used quite a bit of it in my paintings. So yeah, and as you can see on my screen, we have started coloring, and as I told you before, we will be doing the lightest one on the first portion, and then we will be moving from light to dark. So for your reference, I'm doing the light portion first, and simultaneously after this is completed, I will be doing the darkest portion then, so that you will be knowing that between this gradient and this gradient we have to move. So accordingly we will be doing it. So hope you will like the video, and if you are trying to recreate it on a bigger paper or a bigger canvas, please let me know. I will be very happy to know that my videos are helpful to you. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends, especially with kids. I have done this particular painting for kids because they are very good with crayons. So if they can follow along and create this kind of painting, it would be very helpful for me also to look into that. Whatever I have created, the videos which I have created is useful for kids also. So please let me know in the comment section below. And you can find me on different social media platforms also, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So do tag me over there and let me know. And also this is a part of this daily painting series which I am doing on completion of my 1 year of Pritha Genesis channel. So I'm posting daily some videos, and I have categorized them into different art medium. This is oil pastel. I'm doing paintings on soft pastel also, as well as on acrylic, watercolor and gouache color. So do check out all those videos on playlist which are available on my channel if you find something useful according to your taste. Or if you are not finding it, please share a comment with me, or drop me a mail or message. I will definitely look into it. So enjoy the video. I will leave you with the process and your thoughts. Thank you with being with us and watching this video. The painting basic background is done, and if you can see, I have scraped little bit part of the borders, like the chin area, the nose area, the eyebrows and eyelashes area, and the nose area. So I have scratched that part so that I can see the black color properly. Why? Because I'm going to do a coat of white paint, very light coat of white acrylic color on top of it. I'm using acrylic color on top of it because that's the only medium which can stay on top of oil colors. So let's get started with it, but please make sure that you carve out the areas which you wanted to get highlighted in white color. Okay,